Hello, children. After the reciting of Gayatri Mantra, let us come to today's topic. Today's topic, as I told you in our online class, we are going to learn about something more about idioms. What are idioms? First of all, we need to understand that. What are idioms? Idioms are phrases which people use in everyday language, which do not make sense literally, but we understand what they mean. Means एक ऐसे phrases जिसका यूज़ हम लाइफ में कर सकते हैं ड्यूरिंग लैंग्वेज में, बट दे डोंट एग्जैक्टली मीन वर्ड टू वर्ड. हिंदी में जैसे मुहावरे होते हैं, फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल लोहे के चने चबाना. तो डू यू थिंक हम लोहे के चने चबाएंगे? नो, it is an idiom which means that a particular work assigned is either very difficult or very painful, right? So English mein, let us see examples of idiom. Now, as you can see, the idiom says it cost me an arm and a leg. As you can see in the picture, frog's arm and legs are being taken away. But सही में उसका मीनिंग क्या है? What does that mean? The idiom it cost me an arm and a leg means, my dear children, it costs a lot of money. Yes, जिसकी जो चीज़ मैंने ली है उसके लिए it costed me an arm and a leg, वो एक मुहावरा है, right? So it cost a lot of money is the exact meaning of this idiom. Now let us move to a next example of idiom. Next on the screen I have she forgot, so I jogged her memory. Jogging माने दौड़ते हैं, जो हम पार्क में दौड़ते हैं वो. So when she forgot, I jogged her memory. Now jogged her memory, generally jogging is what we do in the parking. Now here the meaning of this idiom is when she forgot, so I reminded her, या I made her remind this, उसको मैंने याद दिलवाया. I jogged her memory. What does that mean? When I say I jogged her memory, that means I made her remind about this, or I reminded her about that particular event. मैंने उसको याद करवाया, कॉल बैक करवाया. जब भी कोई होता है आपका फ्रेंड या कोई इंसिडेंट भूल जाता है, सो यू गिव देम हिंट्स and then we can recall the things. So here I jogged her memory means I reminded her the whole incident. Clear? Chaliye, now let us have a few more examples of idioms that will make you more clear about it. Now, some commonly used English idioms. Let us go and let us learn more idioms. Don't cry over spilled milk means don't cry or don't worry about minor things. छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम जो लाइफ में होती है, don't have grudges of that things, or don't feel that things are much of important, right? Don't cry, don't regret किसी चीज़ के बारे में. Next, first in, best dressed. The first people to do something will have an advantage. First in, best dressed माने इंग्लिश में, अगर हिंदी में हम बोलते तो जो पहला आता है वो फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व, राइट? जो पहला आएगा उसको सबसे ज़्यादा मिलेगा, तो जो सबसे पहले आएगा दैट पर्सन वुड गेट एन एडवांटेज. नेक्स्ट, get in shape. Get in shape means exercise in order to improve one's physical condition. Get in shape. I had an accident last year but I'm again back in the shape means कि मैं वापस उसी जगह पे, या मेरा जो बॉडी का स्ट्रक्चर था, आई एम मोर फिट. नेक्स्ट, गो बनानाज. एक तो सॉन्ग भी है शायद से, आई गो बनानास बनानास बनानास. सो गो बनानास मीन्स टू बिकम इरेशनल और क्रेजी. किसी के पागल की तरह बिहेव करना, या यू नो पागलों जैसे वर्क करना, दैट इज़ नॉन एज गो बनानास. गो बिहाइंड समवन्स बैक. राइट. गो बिहाइंड समवन्स बैक, हिंदी में इसका मुहावरा है हाथ धो के पीछे पड़ जाना. राइट. मीन्स आप किसी को इतना इरिटेट करते हो फ्रॉम द एक्शन. आई मीन यू आर कंसीलिंग दैट पर्सन थ्रू योर एक्शंस. हैव एग ऑन योर फेस. नाउ हैव एग ऑन योर फेस डज नॉट मीन कि आपके मुंह पे ऊपर एग लगा देंगे. इट मीन्स दैट दे आर मेड टू लुक फुलिश और एम्बेरेस्ड, कि कोई ऐसी चीज़ या कोई ऐसा काम करवाना कि जिससे अपना जो फेस है, अपना जो काम है, दैट लुक्स वियर्ड और दैट लुक्स फुलिश और यू फील एम्बेरेस्ड. एम्बेरेस्ड माने शर्म आ जाना अपने ही काम पे. राइट. सो दिज आर सम कॉमनली यूज्ड इंग्लिश idioms. Right. Now, as I told you, after idioms we have similes and metaphors. Let us have a look on similes and metaphors too. Now, so what is simile? First of all, we need to understand what is simile and metaphor. Simile and metaphor. So simile, a comparison of two different things using the words like or as. दो चीज़ या दो इंसान के बीच में कंपैरिजन हो रही है बिटवीन द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ दैट थिंग्स, बट द मेन पोर्शन इज वी यूज लाइक और एज. वेयर एज in metaphor, a comparison of two different things that does not use the words like or as. That is the main difference between simile and metaphor. Simile में use of the word like or as is done, whereas in metaphor we don't use like or as, but the intention of both the things is the same, to compare two different qualities of characteristics or qualities or characteristics of different things or people. Simile का एग्जाम्पल देख ले. On her first day of school, Jane was as cool as a cucumber. Now, as cool as a cucumber. Cucumber माने ककड़ी जो ठंडी होती है. राइट. तो वो कुकुम्बर की तरह या ककुम्बर की तरह ठंडी होना नहीं है. इट इज़ शी वॉज पेशेंट. राइट. वेर इज मेटाफोर इज नोआ हैज़ अ हार्ट ऑफ अ लायन. राइट. यहाँ पे भी लायन के दिल के साथ नोआ को कंपेयर किया गया, बट देन दे आर नॉट यूजिंग like or as. Right. So I hope you guys understood the main difference. Simile mein we use like or as, whereas in metaphor we don't use like or as. The reason of using metaphor and simile is to compare somebody's characteristics to a different person or different thing. Clear? Chaliye, now let us see a couple of more examples of similes and metaphors. Like simile examples, as sweet as pie. किसी का नेचर बहुत स्वीट होता है. सो डॉक्टर नेहा इज एज स्वीट एज अ पाई. सो वी आर कंपेयरिंग हर स्वीटनेस टू द स्वीटनेस ऑफ पाई, हर वे ऑफ बिहेवियर. नाउ एज कलरफुल एज crayons. So my life is as colorful, or my life is colorful like crayons. So here I am using like. So this is simile. My life मैं compare कर रही हूँ अपनी life को colors के साथ. माने हर मोड पे my life is having a different turns and twist. So I'm comparing my life with crayons. I'm characteristics जो crayon की है colorful, that is compared with my life. Clear? Now let us go to the example of metaphor. Now, what is metaphor? A metaphor is a figure of speech that compares one thing to another thing. Metaphors do not use the words like or as we discussed कि like और as का use नहीं होता है. So example, the camper is a snug bug in a rug. The baby is a cute button. The students are busy bees. The birthday boy is happy lark. Here, as you can see, they are comparing two qualities of two different things. The birthday boy is a happy lark. Now birthday boy जिसका birthday है, we are comparing that child's happiness with the lark's happiness, but that does not mean कि वो lark हो जाएगा. Right. Lark is a bird. So it does not means that, but they are comparing the characteristics or the qualities. The main difference between similes and metaphors, dear children, I am again telling, is that in simile we use the word like or as, and whereas in metaphors we do not use any words as like or as, right? Chale. Now I hope after going through this video, your idea about idioms, similes, and metaphors are clear. Let us look into an exercise. Now, read each sentence below to determine if it is simile or a metaphor. Write S for simile and M for a metaphor on each lines. So, ready, kids? Chale, let us do the first exercise. She swims like a fish. Now here, as you can see, the use of like is been done. So it is, what is it? It is a simile. Yes. So you can write S. There is no need of writing. It is just to make you understand. This we have already done, but just to make you understand, because जो PA का पेपर था उसमें I got many calls regarding the problem in simile and metaphor. Now come to the second question. Second one, my life is an open book. Now here we are comparing our life with the quality of a book which is open, means everybody can read. I don't have any hidden truths. So here I am not using like or as. So obviously the figure of speech used over here is metaphor. So you have to write M. Third one, you are my sunshine, right? You are my sunshine. This is said to somebody whom you love. आपके मामा अगर आपको बोलते you are apple of my eye or you are my sunshine, that means we loved you more than anything else. So it is again a metaphor, as like or as is not being used. Next, he is as thin as a rail. Right now here कोई इंसान पतला है और जिसकी कंपैरिजन हो रही है रेल के साथ. So he is as thin as a rail. So here as is used. That's why this is a simile. Right? Moving next. In the fresh air, her cheeks are like red roses. Now what do you mean by cheeks? Cheeks are, yes, जो गाल का portion है, that is known as cheeks. So cheeks are like red roses.
My hunger is
we are comparing
the
redness
hunger.
of cheeks.
So here
छोटे बच्चों
I'm
के गाल
as
एकदम लाल लाल
hungry
होते हैं ना
as a
वैसे.
wolf.
So we are comparing redness of the cheeks
as
to
is
the
there,
red
obviously.
roses.
So it is again a simile.
Like
Clear?
is there.
So she swims
this is
like a
again
fish. Simile.
simile.
My life is
And the
an open
last
book.
one.
Metaphor.
I am
You are my
as
sunshine.
hungry as a
Metaphor.
wolf.
He is as thin as a rail. Simile. In the fresh air, her cheeks are like red roses. Simile. And I am as hungry as a wolf. Metaphor. Right. Chaliye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And the idea of simile, metaphor and idioms is clear. Chaliye. This is all from my side today. Till we meet tomorrow. This is Disha ma'am signing off. Take care. Bye bye.